Today is garden preparation day, putting to bed and getting ready for next year. This is the ranch garden here, and we are bringing in compost, bringing in wood chips. We're resizing the beds to make them all standardized because they're a bit haphazard last year. And so over here we had a big compost pile of old alfalfa that rotted out, so we brought that up, and then we clean out the horse arena from summer camp and bring the horse poop up here. And then we've been mixing that since last winter, and it turned into some pretty good compost mix. Last year we had to spend a good amount to pay for compost to get this started, so we didn't want to do that again. Here we have tulips going in the ground, and those will pop up in the spring. But that's all that we're putting in the ground today. The rest is just moving these beds. This is going to be our pathway here. We get this wood chip, or it's more like sawdust. We have a sawmill. Up there's a sawmill that we make all the boards for our fences with, and have to do something with the wood chips, so we thought we'd bring it down here. There is a tree cutting company in Susanville that I've been asking for 3 months to get wood chips from and haven't yet. So that's today. This is the ranch garden. We want to do it, add some trees, make it more permaculture-y, some bushes and other things like that. We have tarps out over there. But yeah, this has been here for 30 years, and Joy's dad expanded it a year or two ago. We're gonna throw some cover crops down, some clover and some rye. Hopefully we can get it in before it gets too cold to germinate. You can put a tarp over it to keep it warm to germinate, and then pull it off if you're on top of things. But that's today, just digging, wood chips, spreading stuff out, throwing tulips down. That's a short one. Is there anything else to add to this? Lessons learned from the year. If you want your garden to be good, you have to be here and do stuff with it. This garden got a bit neglected because we spend a lot of time up at our place doing stuff. But we're hoping to make this a bit of like an education garden for the summer camp, so kids can come and pick carrots, pull weeds with us, and see the tulips growing. Day later, we got some beds made up, some wood chips in here. Just wanted to show you all what it looks like now. 3, 2, 1. So we made these beds here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And then we made another one there. And then we're gonna just keep going down the line right there. And I forgot to say yesterday that Joy is doing a subscription box for tulips in the spring, and hopefully in the summer some different flowers too. So if you are in the Susanville area, perchance, just text Joy. That's our plug. That's our avenue for getting access to flowers. You got to know Joy's phone number. So yeah, that's it for the garden for now. We might do some more in the fall if it doesn't get too cold too soon.
Hey Dad, tell him how to get to her phone number.
I'm not putting her phone number on the internet. You can message on this video and I'll send you Joy's number.
Joe's.
You can also get Joy's flowers at Joe's coffee shop in town. Leo's trying to get the plug. But yeah, if we don't finish making more beds up now, we'll do it in the spring. And then we'll start planting it out. Start putting seeds in our greenhouse. And I'm gonna hopefully make more videos about that as we go. Nice little shorties like this one. So I think that's it for today.
Bye.
Bye.